loading table, measurement system, electronic control system, high-speed cross-cutting saw, at conveyor, high-precision measuring station system. Equipped with advanced German fluorescent sensors, it also improves the accuracy and the utilization rate of materials. Yanhua Industrial Control System, Servo Lifting Saw System, of Material Sorting System. The preferred saw can measure the length of wood automatically. Identify fluorescent line sawing. Calculate the sawing method with the smallest margin according to the production list, so as to improve the utilization rate of materials and achieve the purpose of saving materials. The automatic material separation system of the preferred saw also greatly reduces labor costs, improve the overall efficiency of the factory.